Exponent made easy. Understanding the laws and a BODMAS for grade 10. So, what are exponents? Exponents are shorthand for repeated multiplication. For instance, 2 to the power of 3 is an exponent of 2 times 2 times 2. The exponent 3 tells us how many times to multiply the base 2. Laws of exponents. So, there are 3 main laws of exponents. Number 1, product of powers. When multiplying 2 powers with the same base, add the exponent. You add them. So 2 base raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 base raised to power 3. You take 1 base, then you add 2 plus 3, which is going to give you 5. Second law. Power of power. When raising a power to another power, multiply the exponents. 2 into bracket square into 3. So you take 1 base, you take the only 1 base, then you multiply 2 by 3. So you're going to have 2 raised to power 6. The third law, which is quotient of power. When dividing 2 power with the same base, subtract the exponents. So in this case, 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 3. You take 1 base, then 5 minus 3, which is 2 raised to power 2 square anyway, which is 4. So BODMAS. BODMAS is a helpful asking us to remember the order of operation. B bracket, evaluate the expression inside the bracket first. O, others, evaluate any exponential expression next. D, then you divide, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So by following these orders, you will ensure that mathematics expressions are evaluated correctly. Example and practice. Now that you have learned the laws of exponents and BODMAS, it's time to practice. Try simplify the following expression. Just only 4. So together we can walk through as many questions as possible in a one-on-one section. And as a special offer, I'm providing the first 1 hour for free as a trial. So you can contact me at +27 081 4272 490. Let's conquer maths together. My name is Exponentials.
Because I'm a girl, you need to